Okay, let's see what could be on the old menu today. Turkey Smashburgers. Now, you might be sitting there thinking to yourself, aren't Turkey Smashburgers boring sometimes? And I'd say, yeah, they certainly can be. But today we're going to jazz it up a little bit and make it a little more interesting. So if you'd like to follow along, fire up that griddle, get the top to around 460, and let's go into the kitchen to do some quick ingredient prep. Grab 1 pound of ground turkey, throw it in a mixing bowl, season to taste with salt and pepper, add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Using your hand, mix all those ingredients together and form that meat into 5 balls. Chop up 1/4 of a white onion into little pieces. Make sure you have some shredded lettuce on hand for after we're finished cooking. Next, we're going to lightly toast some brioche buns. This is going to be a dry toasting. Could we have put some mayo or butter on the bun before we toasted it? No, not today. We're having turkey burgers to have total less fat and total less calories, so don't do it. One thing to note, my ingredient prep just took a minute or 2. The griddle is still heating up. Let's place these buns down and toast for a couple of minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes. They're looking pretty good to me. Let's remove these buns. All right, I'm sitting at around 458. That's close enough for me. Things are about to get pretty serious. Add some grapeseed oil to your griddle top. Drop some onions in the oil in 5 different spots. You're going to end up putting the burger patties on top of this. Next, grab those burger patties, drop them down, grab some parchment paper, get a burger press, and give them a good smash. Now you're going to sit here and wait patiently for 3 minutes, and then you're going to give them a good flip. When you flip them, they should have a nice brown crust on each side. 2 of these patties weren't ready, so we're going to wait a little bit. But while we're waiting, we're going to add some cheese on the other one. Today, we're using cheddar cheese. It's been about 32 seconds more exactly. We're going to give these other 2 guys a flip, add some cheese, and wait. This is the final product. I did about another 3 minutes on the second side. Let's remove these from the heat, go inside, and build some tasty burgers. For the record, I do clean the griddle top each time after I cook them before I eat. Normally just takes a few minutes. Squirt and spread some Duke's mayo on the bottom bun. Add the turkey patties, top off with some lettuce, and crown with the bun. And that's it. Is this the tastiest smash burger ever? No, I don't think so. A traditional beef smash burger with bacon and all the fixins would take that title in my book. Is this a nice change of pace from having beef smash burgers all the time? Yeah, I think it is. If you tried this recipe, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching.